નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, કિશોર ગજેરા યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. આપણે અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યા છીએ રેશિયો એનાલિસિસ, એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 11. The following is the summarized balance sheet of Smith Limited on 31st March 21. Shareholders fund, share capital, equity share capital 3 lakh, preference share capital 1,50,000, reserve and surplus 1,15,000. 8% debenture is the non-current liability. Then current liability, creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft and outstanding expenses. આ ચાર કેવા છે current liability. Asset માં fixed assets છે, preliminary expenses છે, આને કેવા છે fictitious assets. અને current assets માં stock, debtors, bills receivable, cash and prepaid expenses. પાંચ આપી છે current assets. Additional information. Total sales, cash sales are 20% of credit sale 10,80,000. याद रखो 20% of credit sale, not total sale. Credit sale 100, 20% cash, 120 total. तुमने जो 10,80,000 આપ્યું છે 1,20% લેખે આપ્યું છે. Then cost of goods sold 5,40,000. Total sale માંથી cost of goods sold minus કરો એટલે gross profit મળે. 3. Net profit before interest and tax 3 lakh. Before interest and tax આપ્યો છે, rate of tax આપ્યો છે 50%. Opening stock 1,421 lakh. From the above information, calculate the following ratios. While calculating debtors ratio, 360 days are to be taken for the year. Number of days 360. First of all, current ratio. Current assets upon current liabilities, and the total of the current assets are 3,20,000 upon 1,70,000 is equal to 1.88:1. This is the current ratio. Then debtors ratio. Debtors plus bills receivable upon credit sale into 360. तो credit sale find करिए. Suppose credit sale is 100 plus cash sale 20. 120 is the total sale. તમને જે 10,80,000 આપ્યું છે ટોટલ આપ્યું છે એટલે એનાથી સ્ટેપ શરૂ કરવાનું કે ટોટલ 120 when credit 100, credit sale 100 હોય છે. 10,80,000 એ કેટલા? તો એ આન્સર આવશે 9 lakh. 9 lakh is the credit sale. Debtors. Debtors are 1 lakh plus bills receivable 30,000 upon credit sale 9 lakh into 360, and the number of days 52 days. Answer 52 days. Then return on capital employed is equal to profit before interest and tax upon capital employed into 100. Profit before interest and tax is given 3 lakh upon capital employed. Any formula છે capital plus reserve plus long term liability minus fictitious assets. तो capital છે 3 lakh plus reserve છે 3 lakh plus 1,50,000 preference and equity both. 1,15,000 reserve plus debt debentures 2 lakh, long term liabilities debenture, and minus fictitious assets 15,000 preliminary expenses, and the capital employed are 7,50,000. 3 lakh upon 7,50,000 into 100, 40%. Net profit ratio. Net profit upon sales into 100. So net profit first of all find करिए. आपके पास है profit before interest and tax 10 lakh, sorry 3 lakh. This is the 3 lakh minus interest. इंटरेस्ट गणवानो डिबेंचर पर 2 लाख ना 8% 16,000. 2,84,000 is the profit before tax minus tax 50%. 1,42,000 and 1,42,000 is the profit, net profit after tax. 142 upon 10,80,000 total sale into 100. Answer is 13.15%. Then capital gearing ratio is equal to preference share capital plus debenture upon equity share capital into 100 करो तो पण चाले, ना करो तो पण चाले. Preference share capital 1,50,000 plus debenture 2 lakh upon equity share capital 3 lakh is equal to 1.17:1 or 117%. આવો પણ આન્સર આવી શકે જો into 100 કરો તો. Then debt equity ratio is equal to long term debts upon owners fund into 100. Long term funds means debenture 2 lakh upon owners fund. એની ફોર્મ્યુલા છે capital plus reserve minus fictitious assets. Capital 3 lakh plus 4 lakh 1,50,000. 3 lakh equity share capital plus 1,50,000 preference share capital plus reserve 1,15,000 minus fictitious assets 15,000. 5,50,000 upon 5,50,000 into 100. 2 lakh upon 5,50,000 into 100 is equal to 36.36%. 36.36%. Number 7. Liquid ratio. Liquid assets upon current liabilities. Liquid assets 2 lakh other than stock upon current liabilities 1,70,000 is equal to 1.18:1. Then operating ratio, cost of goods sold 5,40,000 plus operating expenses find करवाना 10,80,000 is the sales into 100. तो operating expenses આપણે અગાઉ એક વખત ફાઇન્ડ કરેલા છે કેવી રીતે બરાબર યાદ રાખજો. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ સેલ્સ 10,80,000 minus cost of goods sold 5,40,000. Other 5,40,000 is the gross profit GP minus profit before interest and tax जैसे 3 lakh. 2,40,000 is the operating expenses. 240. 540 plus 240 upon 10,80,000 into 100. 72.22%. Thank you very much, friends.